Hello, I am Dr. Sharmistha Singha from Kolkata. I am an assistant professor in anesthesiology, and currently I have attended this pain workshop, which was from the 30th of July to 2nd of August 2026 at Kolkata. So both the teachers, Chinmoy Roy sir as well as Debjyoti Dutta sir, both of them have been truly amazing teachers. We've got to learn a lot from them, especially the kind of patients that they have. They make sure that every single candidate, whoever has come, gets adequate hands-on for every mannequin and also live demonstration on the patients. So I feel it has been a truly enriching experience all these 4 days, and I have learned a lot. Especially the concepts, the pain medicine concepts, they have actually cleared a lot in my head. And of course, the kind of confidence that I did get at the end of the workshop is truly something that I am immensely thankful for, and they are great teachers, and I'm looking forward to attending even more pain workshops which will be taken by both these teachers, Chinmoy Roy sir and Debjyoti Dutta sir. Thank you.